Good morning, students. I am Lakshmi Mari. I am taking third standard science subject. Today's our first topic is living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. In this class, you are going to learn about the living things die. Living things die. All living things die after having lived for some time. All living things get old and die. All living things like humans, animals and plants live for a short or a long time. The table given below lists the average time period for which some living things live. Banyan tree about 2000 years. Mango tree about 100 years. Banana plant 8 to 10 years. Tortoise 100 to 150 years. Elephant 50 to 60 years. Dog 12 to 17 years. Shark 25 to 30 years. Parrot 50 to 60 years. Butterfly 1 to weeks. 1 or 2 weeks. Crow 15 to 30 years. Let's learn some new words. First one, lungs. Meaning of lungs, body parts of animals that live on land, which help them to breathe. Body parts of animals that live on land, which help them to breathe. Second word, gills. And meaning of gills, body parts of fish that help them to breathe. Body parts of fish that help them to breathe. Next word, stomata. Meaning of stomata, pores present on the leaves through which air enters a plant. Pores present on the leaves through which air enters a plant. Next word, seedling. A baby plant that comes out from a seed. A baby plant that comes out from a seed. Next word, reproduction. Reproduction. Meaning of reproduction, the process by which living things produce their own kind. Next word, hatch. The process by which the young ones of animals come out of the eggs. The process by which the young ones of animals come out of the eggs. Now we will do some exercises from lesson The Living Things and Non-Living Things. Four options is here. Only air, air and water only, air and sunlight only, air, water and sunlight. And the correct option is air, water and sunlight. Plants make their own food in the presence of air, water and sunlight. Third, insects have stomata. Insects have dash. Four options is here: stomata, air holes, gills and lungs. And the correct option is air holes. Insects have air holes. Fourth one, plants reproduce from dash. Plants reproduce from dash. Eggs, stomata, seeds and seedlings. These 4 options is here and the correct option is seeds. Plants reproduce from seeds. Plants reproduce from seeds. Fifth, fish reproduce by dash. Fish reproduce by dash and the given options are giving birth to puppies, giving birth to cubs, laying eggs, laying by fish and the correct option is laying eggs. Fish reproduce by laying eggs. Next question. Tick the true statements and cross the false ones. First one is non-living things give birth to young ones. Non-living things give birth to young ones and this sentence is false. And this sentence is false. Why it's false, students? Because only living things give birth to young ones. Second, living things breathe in air. Living things breathe in air and this sentence is true. And this sentence is true. Next sentence, non-living things grow. Non-living things grow. This sentence is false. Why it's false, students? Because all living things grow in size. Non-living things do not grow. Next, non-living things can feel. Non-living things can feel and this sentence is false because all living things can feel. Non-living things cannot feel. Fifth, tables and chairs are non-living things. Tables and chairs are non-living things and this sentence is true. And this sentence is true. Match the following. In a column, 4 options. Most birds, second plants, third land animals and fourth fish. And here A. Breathe through gills. B. Give birth to young ones. C. Fly. And D. Do not move from one place to another. Let's match. Birds fly. Plants do not move from one place to another place. Land animals give birth to young ones. Fish breathe through gills. Birds fly. Plants do not move from one place to another place. Land animals give birth to young ones. Fish breathe through gills. Answer the following questions in one sentence. First one is name 2 living and 2 non-living things. Name 2 living and non-living things. Plants and animals are living things. Tables and chairs are non-living things. Plants and animals are living things. Tables and chairs are non-living things. Second question. What do cows and elephants eat? What do cows and elephants eat? And the answer is cows and elephants eat plants. Cows and elephants eat plants. Next question. Where will you find stomata? Where will you find stomata? And the answer is stomata are found in the leaves of plants. Stomata are found in the leaves of plants. Stomata are found in the leaves of plants. Fourth question. Define reproduction. And the answer is reproduction is the process by which living things produce their own kind. Reproduction is the process by which living things produce their own kind. Answer the following questions in 2 to 3 sentences. First question, write the different ways by which living things take in air. And the answer is all living things breathe. Animals that live on land have a nose and lungs that help them in breathing. Fish breathe through gills. Plants take in air through the stomata. Second question, how do living things reproduce? And the answer is living things reproduce by giving birth to young ones. An elephant gives birth to calf. A dog gives birth to a puppy. Most plants reproduce from seeds. Third question, explain giving an example to show that living things feel. And the answer is all living things feel. For example, the leaves of a touch-me-not plant close when touched. If your friend pinches you, it hurts. If your friend pinches you, it hurts. Next question, higher order thinking skills. When you plant some mustard seeds in a pot with garden soil and water it regularly, what will you see after a few days? Explain why. And the answer is when mustard seeds are watered regularly, you will see that the seeds have grown into seedling after a few days. This is because the seeds have baby plants in them that grow when they found favorable conditions of water, air, and warmth. Value based question. What would you do if you see some of your friends throwing stones at a stray dog? And the answer is I would stop them and explain that they should be kind towards animals. So students, now it's time to take the homework. Answer the following questions in one sentence and answer the following questions in 2 to 3 sentences.